Friends, and welcome to another episode, Midnight Stuff. Alright, in this episode I'm gonna show you how to solder PPR pipes, basically these plastic ones that is useful into the bathroom, kitchen, outside and so on. These are very rough plastic pipes. As you can see, this one is very thick. There are many sizes and shapes and quality as well. I did find out for my purposes this one with the yellow stripe is very very thick as well, and when you're gonna connect it to the welding machine, it's gonna weld very good. On top of these ones there are lots of shapes. These are trial and error as well. Basically this is a connector. With this one you're gonna be able to solder two pipes together. Yeah, another one, this is a L shape, a plain L shape like I show you into the previous video, but I did have some kind of screw built in. This is a T connector. As you can see, a pipe can go in, out and so on. This is a special one for bathroom. Basically, if you're gonna have a pipe, let's say this is the pipe, and you're gonna need to cross it over, you're gonna need this kind of junction as well. This one is an end cap, very useful as well, is very handy. Another one is for bathroom, most of it with the exterior thing connector like this. There are 2 or 3 types with the exterior connector, interior connector and T junction. This is one type of Dutchman. They call it Dutchman because you can replace it very easy. We have another connector, another kind of Dutchman as well, but this is just brass. We do have the clamp that if you're gonna put it on the walls and stuff, you're gonna put a screw inside here and just clamp it into position. Here we go, and it's very rough and aesthetically nice and so on. Alright, but let's get back to the video of today. I'm gonna show you how do I solder this kind of pipes, and I did find a method as well. So let me grab my tools and be right back. Alright friends, so the method that I did found basically is on just on what do you call this one, feet 20. Basically this is the diameter of the pipe, feet 20. On the feet 20 you have to measure with a ruler. Let's see, and I'm gonna show it in centimeters as well. You have to do the connection. So you do have the ruler, you're gonna measure from one end. Most of the time I do it both ends. So I'm measuring from this end to, let's say from this one. I'm gonna, let's just put it this way. I'm gonna start to solder this kind of connector of PPR pipe to the pipe itself. So I'm gonna measure from this end 1.4 centimeter. Grab it like so with one hand is very difficult. Let me show you something. I hope I'm not gonna drop the phone, because this is the second phone that I'm ruining with this kind of videos. So alright, so let's see, I'm gonna grab it from this end. As you can see I have a crooked hand, so I'm gonna measure from this end 1.4 centimeter. I'm gonna mark it. Here you go, I did have mark it. Come on, focus in. You see the mark is over there, 1.4 centimeter with this kind of diameter of the pipe. With feet 20 you're gonna go 1.4. With feet 25 you're gonna go 1.5, and with the feet 32 you're gonna go 1.6 and so on. All right, bear with me for a while. First thing first, you're gonna need one of this machine. This is a PPR pipe solder. It is very straightforward. You're gonna plug it in. It's got 2 on-off switches. when you're gonna see the red light, is gonna go on standby. This one is on for a while, so they are very hot. Be mindful, be careful, do not touch the things. This one, you can see the big one, you're gonna put in the pipe, and on this side you're gonna put the connector, T-junction, L shape, and so on. So this is for this side, and the other one, the pipe goes on the other side. All right, let's find an assistant to fill me up, and see you soon. Okay friends, we have the pipe already marked in, the connector. We're gonna put it in. We're gonna press tight till the mark is gonna reach the thing. There we go. Then we're gonna count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remove the pieces. Then snug them in. There you go. Just hold it for a while. And there you have it. Drop the machine. This is the pipe. I don't know if you're gonna see it inside. It's very hot, very dangerous, but very useful as well. Thanks all for watching. In the meanwhile, thumbs up, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.